Hey everyone, Stevie Heidemann here with Griot's Garage, and I'm excited to introduce you to our Pro Air Blowgun. When it comes to pneumatic tools, precision and durability are essential, and that's exactly what this tool delivers. Thoughtfully engineered with versatility and longevity in mind, it might be the last blowgun you'll ever need. Featuring a variable flow trigger, you can dial in the exact amount of power needed for the task at hand, giving you complete control. Whether you're clearing out crumbs from tight interior spots, blasting water from body panel gaps, or blowing leaves and dust out of an engine bay, this blowgun handles it all with ease. Comfort and durability were top priorities when we designed this tool. The lightweight, corrosion-resistant composite handle features an ergonomic curve for a more comfortable grip and reduced fatigue during extended use. It also features a built-in hanging hook for convenient storage between tasks. The Pro Air Blowgun comes with 3 interchangeable nozzles. The micro nozzle, which is ideal for delicate, precise work. The 3.5-inch long reach nozzle, which helps access tight, hard-to-reach areas. And the high flow nozzle, which delivers serious air power when the job demands it. If you want even more versatility, check out our Pro Air Blowgun nozzle kit sold separately. This upgrade kit unlocks even more capabilities with 4 additional nozzles. The 1/2-inch rubber nozzle for bleeding lines or delicate work, the inflation needle nozzle, perfect for topping off balls, bike tires, and other inflatables, the high volume nozzle for heavy-duty tasks like drying engine bays or blasting debris out of carpet, and the fanned nozzle, which spreads air evenly and is ideal for drying large panels or getting into crevices. With the Pro Air Blowgun and optional nozzle kit, you'll have a total of 7 nozzles at your disposal, delivering unmatched adaptability for detailing, cleaning, and garage tasks of all kinds. We hope you found this video helpful and plan to try out the Pro Air Blowgun and additional nozzle kit for yourself. Thank you for watching, and as always, have fun in your garage.